Good morning to all, respected principal, members of the management, teachers, parents, and all my dear friends. I am Joseph Tito from class 3. As part of our Social Science Week Horizon 2021, we, the students of class 3, proudly present our video of our theme, World Around Us. Our Mother Earth is a wonderful creation of God. So far, life is identified only in our Mother Earth. Its various geographical features and charming beauty doubts us whether it is the heaven itself. Let us have a look to our video. Hope all of you will enjoy and encourage us. Thank you.
Hello everybody, I am Keshav Nambudiri from class 3. I am going to speak about different regions of India. First is plateau. A plateau is a broad flat land that is higher than the plains around it. Next is desert. And desert is a vast stretch of land covered with sand with not many plants and trees around it. Next is plains. Plains are a large area of flat level lands. Next is island. An island is a piece of land surrounded by water on all sides.
I am Sadika S from class 3. India is a big country of many towns, cities and villages. People living in towns, cities and villages need clean water, electricity, roads, education and health care. These basic necessities are met by local administrative bodies. Local administrative bodies are village panchayat and municipal committees. Functions of village panchayat are provide clean water, street lights and look after general cleanliness. Look after roads, tanks, wells, health, education and common grazing grounds. Develop agriculture and industry. Functions of municipal committees are conduct literacy programs for uneducated adults, provide free and compulsory education to children up to 14 years. Construct and maintain roads, parks, hospitals and ensure general cleanliness. Provide water and electricity.
I am Joseph Tito from class 3. Today I am going to show a chart of states of India and its capitals. There are 28 states. Here are their capitals. Amaravati is the capital of Andhra Pradesh. Itanagar is the capital of Arunachal Pradesh. Dispur is the capital of Assam. Patna is the capital of Bihar. Raipur is the capital of Chhattisgarh. Panaji is the capital of Goa. Gandhinagar is the capital of Gujarat. Chandigarh is the capital of Haryana. Shimla is the capital of Himachal Pradesh. Ranchi is the capital of Jharkhand. Bengaluru is the capital of Karnataka. Thiruvananthapuram is the capital of Kerala. Bhopal is the capital of Madhya Pradesh. Mumbai is the capital of Maharashtra. Imphal is the capital of Manipur. Shillong is the capital of Meghalaya. Aigwa is the capital of Mizoram. Kohima is the capital of Nagaland. Bhubaneswar is the capital of Odisha. Chandigarh is the capital of Punjab. Jaipur is the capital of Rajasthan. Gangtok is the capital of Sikkim. Chennai is the capital of Tamil Nadu. Hyderabad is the capital of Telangana. Agartala is the capital of Tripura. Lucknow is the capital of Uttar Pradesh. Trivandrum is the capital of Uttarakhand. Kolkata is the capital of West Bengal.
Hello everyone, my name is Kaushal and in class 3. Today I am going to present a solar system. This is a solar system. Sun, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune.
Hi friends, I am Sarah Mary Varghese from class 3. Now I am going to explain water cycle. You know what is water cycle? This is sun. Sun is very hot source of energy to earth. Heat from sun causes water evaporation from land, sea, river, pond, ocean. This water vapor rises up and get collected in clouds. Clouds travel with wind. The clouds became cold due to which vapor cool to water droplets and come down to as rain. Rainwater flows to the water bodies and earth. Water cycle is the journey of water from the sea to the sky, sky to the land and back to the sea. So this process repeats again and again. This is called water cycle. So friends, now you know what is water cycle. Thank you.
I am Asilaha Fatima. I am studying class 3. Union territories and its capital. 8 Union territories. First one, Andaman and Nicobar Island. Capital is Port Blair. Second one, Chandigarh. Capital is Chandigarh. Third one, Dadra Nagar Haveli and Daman Diu. Capital is Daman. Fourth one, Delhi. Capital is New Delhi. Fifth one, Jammu and Kashmir. Capital is Srinagar. Sixth one, Ladakh. Capital is Leh. Seventh one, Lakshadweep. Capital is Kavaratti. Eighth one, Puducherry. Capital is Puducherry.
Hello everyone, my name is Saram Thomas Abraham. Today I am explaining about solar system. Sun is the center of the solar system. The planets move around the sun. There are 8 planets in the solar system. They are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune.
Hi everyone, my name is Sarah Susan Joby. I am from class 3. Today I am discussing about the festival of India. These are festivals: Onam, Christmas, Vishu, Ganesh Chaturthi, Holi, Raksha Bandhan, Deepavali, Pongal, Eid-ul Fitr.
I am Alina Abraham. Today I am going to tell about water cycle. 3/4 of the earth is covered with water. The continuous and cyclic changing of water into its different form. There are 3 major processes in water cycle. First, evaporation. The water cycle begins with evaporation. The process of turning from liquid into vapor is called evaporation. Second, condensation. The process where water vapor changes into water droplets is called condensation. Third, precipitation. The process of water release from clouds in the form of rain, snow, etc. are called precipitation. The rainwater again flows back into river, oceans, lakes, sea, etc. Water changes its form continuously and in a cyclic manner. This forms the water cycle.
I'm Joseph Tito from class 3. Today I'm going to present a model of major landforms of India. They are mountains and hills, plains, deserts, peninsula, plateau and island. Let's go through the model. First one, mountains. The north part of our country is great mountains known as Himalaya. Himalaya means home of snow. The southwest part of our country is Western Ghats and southeast part of our country is Eastern. Next is hills. Vindhya and Satpura hills are in central India and Nilgiri hills are in south. Next is plains. Plains are level land. The south part of Himalaya is northern plains. Next is desert. The northwestern part of our country is Thar Desert. It is in Rajasthan. Camel is a useful animal to carry people and goods across the desert. Next is peninsula. Peninsula is a triangle shape of land that's surrounded. The three side is covered by water. The east side is Bay of Bengal, west side is Arabian Sea and the south side is Indian Ocean. Next is plateau. About flat land is higher than plains are called plateau. An Indian peninsula is a plateau, so it is called Deccan Peninsular Plateau or Deccan Plateau. Next is island. A piece of land that's surrounded by water is called island. The Andaman and Nicobar Islands are in Bay of Bengal, Lakshadweep in Arabian Sea. Hope all of you will like my video.
Teacher, son.